Xbox.
How's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the front-facing camera in a Dell Venue 11 Pro version 7140. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Pry open SD card door with a thin object. Now remove base cover screw. Using the access point, pry up, unsnap, and remove the bottom cover. Now unplug battery cable. Next, unscrew and remove battery. Now unplug cables. Then remove screws. And remove middle frame and cables. Now unplug the cable. Next, unscrew and remove front-facing camera. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.